Hello everyone, this is a quick video to walk you through Aetos reputation engine. So our tool is a simple online software that can help any business owners that have online review platforms or online social profiles like Google, My Business or Facebook or Yelp or any other online platform that contains online reviews for that specific business. So our tools is a simple online page that's going to have a unique URL for every location. So every location will have its own unique URL to access this page. We call this page the request portal. It's represented by the query by the key request on the URL. So the request portal is simple form where every business owner has just to put his customer details, either email or mobile number or both for a higher conversion rate. After that, you just have to click send my request. This is pretty simple. The whole tool won't even take 2-3 seconds to send your request to your customer through email or SMS or both. And the best part in this, to start to create a portal for your own location, it won't even take you just few seconds, and it has zero configuration. You just need to tell us what is the online profile for your business and very basic details about your business. And that's the only thing that is required to configure and create a new location and get your unique request portal. Right now, I just send myself a request inside as an email. I receive it like this. This is an example of the request that every and each customer are gonna receive. It simply has the company name, the URL, the URL to gather the online review from this customer, and this simple text script. The best part in our platform is it's completely white labeled and it's completely branded. This means that every reseller user will be able to change the text that is used in this request. And the good thing is that you can set a custom script for the emails and another custom script for emails. Right now, as soon as I click on this, I'll immediately be redirected to the business online review profile that is set for this specific portal. And in our case, we're gonna go to Google My Business. That's where I'm heading. That's what is the online review profile that as I create this portal for. So right now I can see here, this is the second step. We call this the feedback portal. So the feedback portal is a simple another form that is very similar to the request portal, but this is meant for the customer. This is for the business owner and this is for the customer. So you can say this is the second phase of gathering your customer request review. And here there is nothing to do for the customer here. His details will be populated automatically based on the request that you send from the request portal. And here your customers just have to rate his experience with your company, then click last step. With this, our tool will immediately redirect your customer to the review online platform. In our case, like I said, it's Google My Business, like on a local business. So right now, this is exactly what your customer is gonna experience with just 2 clicks through our feedback portal. And here is simple. Your customer just have to put that and just leave his review for your business, and that's it. He hit post, and that review will be posted to your online location on Google Maps. Google My Business is just one example of so many. Our tool can support any kind of other platform. We use a very unique and simple functionality when it comes to choosing the right online review platform. We simply redirect the customer after the feedback portal. We redirect him to wherever the online review platform that you are gonna use. In our case, right now we're using the Google My Business. You can use Yelp, you can use Facebook, you can use any you can even use our tool even to get more installed for your for example for your mobile app or for your Play Store app or anything you want, because we have a very simple functionality in our platform. And there is one last quick round where I can send the request and I can ignore the feedback portal. I can just use one of these functions that we already have in our platform. We call it a direct request. This will bypass the feedback page and immediately redirect the customer to the final destination. And we are still in the same. We're still working on the same thing as with Google My Business. So right now, I'll just send a request to the same customer, and now I'll just have to wait. By the way, all of this text is customizable. You can change all of this. You can translate our tool to any language you want. All of this is just text that any of us can change and can just put depending on your needs. Simple. And every request can be customized in terms of options. For example, you can schedule the request to be sent after a certain time, after a certain number of hours or time, or even like in a week or 2 weeks ahead. You can also select a confidential request. This will not allow our system to save your customer details in our system in our logs. And this means that the request that you're going to send, the customer name, email, and mobile number will have no trace in our system. And that is very good for some customers' privacy. So because the customer can do this himself. If you put this form in your, like for example, a tablet or a public shared like a computer, your customer can send himself a request, and that, and some customers don't want just they don't want to for you to save their details in your system, so they can just select confidential request. When this that is just amazing for any kind of business. That's also so handy. The last thing what is so handy is to customize the responders that are going to be sent to your customer. This includes the email subject, email body, and the SMS content, like the SMS text. This is what's going to be sent to your customer. It means you can also send a customized request to your customer right from the request portal around here. So now let's go. We just, like I said, we're trying the direct request here. I just received the notification. Sorry, yeah, the email. Now I'm gonna send here. Now I want you to pay close attention in here. I will not see the feedback portal, and I will immediately be redirected to the final destination to leave my review. And this is the best part in our platform. What we call it conditional redirection, or one-click redirection the customer to your final destination. And that's it. This was a very quick round. We have I'm going to share with you the URL for the demo where you can just dig in and try everything yourself. Thanks for watching. This was a quick walkthrough about Aetos reputation engine. I hope you're going to find more details in our sales page.